also tell us about Siraj, of course, the focus with the highlights, but also what a moment for Shubman Gill.
That's right. Pooja, if I had to now look at two standout performers for India, I think you've taken the name of both of them. One, of course, is Mohammad Siraj, and I think the man who gave it his all, picking up 4 wickets and a 5 wicket haul in the second inning, 4 wickets in the first inning, and for him to take the final wicket of the match as well, I think was befitting the way this particular exciting test match ended. But yeah, Shubman Gill as well broke multiple records. 700 runs to get in an overseas series is something that we've only seen a handful of times in the history of Test cricket. So, in terms of anything that you look at, this Indian cricket team has exceeded expectations even of their staunchest of supporters. Why do I say that? And many that might be seeing our broadcast might say that, listen, at the end of the day, it is just 2-all. Why is it being celebrated as if India has
Exactly.
won the series? And I think
Yes.
that's primarily because India have managed to tie this series from the brink, from a situation where they were all but out. Nobody gave them a chance. 3-1 was within touching distance of England. They needed 60 odd, 6 wickets in hand. From there, the Indian team to win with a margin of 8 runs. I think absolutely incredible. One of the finest test series that we've seen India play overseas.
Nikhil, right when the test match was going on, all these matches, there was also this rhetoric coming in that senior players, the ones who are not playing, were being missed, and because this is a fairly young team. You tell me, what was, do you think, that key takeaway moment when this face-off, so to say, turned into India's favour?
I think it was the final session. Pooja, you're right, absolutely right. See, and that tends to happen every time the
Yes.
Indian team is a bit down, it's trailing in a match or a series. We tend to miss players that are not part of the setup. But I think it was the right time overall for the Indian team to be looking ahead, to look beyond some of the stalwarts that they had, and they invested their fortunes in a very young transitional team. But yes, when this team was facing its toughest moments throughout this series, they found a way to step up. And what's been the beauty of this team is that on different occasions, there's been a different player. If it is Ravindra Jadeja with the bat in certain matches, it's been Washington Sundar with the bat and the ball in certain games. Shubman Gill has stepped up. Yashasvi Jaiswal, KL Rahul, Mohammad Siraj, Prasidh Krishna. I can go on about players that have different parts of this 5 test match series. Imagine it's a 5 test match series and it is about 25 days of cricket. So you've had somebody or the other really step up. But if I just pinpoint about what really changed in this test match, I think that final session that was to start, they needed about 60 odd runs, England, to win with 6 wickets in hand. And you thought that there was no way India was going to win it from there. But I think what the Indian bowlers in Prasidh Krishna and Mohammad Siraj did in that final session, the ball started doing stuff and they picked up few crucial wickets off Jacob Bethel. And then the biggest wicket, I'd say, of this match of Joe Root. I think those 2 wickets that came in that final session, I think that completely changed the test match. Even then, England may have been favourite when they came out to bat today, but you knew that top players and the players that could have taken to a safe situation and a winning situation were back in the hut. And I'll put it down to the heart that was shown by your two fast bowlers, led by Mohammad Siraj and also to an extent Prasidh Krishna.
Yes,
Imagine
correct.
having played this 5 test match series, Mohammad Siraj, the only bowler across both teams to have played all 5 test matches. He's bowled his heart out. And I think that is the really turning point, that Joe Root wicket in the final session that turned this match around.